Hi, good afternoon to all of you. My name is Vivek Kumar. I am graduated from Delhi University. I have teaching experience more than 3 years through my coaching classes from class 6 to 10. Here I am showing how I teach the students. At this time I have no whiteboard, so I am explaining you in a mobile camera only. So let us start with the chapter Atom and Molecule of class 9th. What is the atom and molecule? Atom is the smallest particle of a matter. What is the meaning of it? You have seen your house. What is the smallest thing in your house that it has been built? It is a brick. You know, your house is made of a brick to brick. Okay, so everything that you see around you, these are made up of with atom. Okay, and what is molecule? Molecule is the group of atom when two atoms, three atoms, or more than they combine to form a molecule. For example, O. Oxygen atom is called O, capital O, and carbon atom is called C, capital C. Okay, these are the atoms. When carbon and oxygen they combine, they will form a molecule. Example, carbon plus O2, they form CO2, carbon dioxide. Similar like oxygen plus oxygen atom, they combine to form O2. O2 is a molecule. Okay guys, so how they combine? There are certain rules of chemical compound. First rule is law of a constant proportion. What is the meaning of it? Law of constant proportion said when atoms combine to form a molecule or a compound, they combine in a definite proportion by mass. What is the meaning? Like water is formed. Water is called H2O. It is made from H2 plus O. H2O. Okay. 2 gram hydrogen mixed with 8 gram of oxygen to form H2O. So what is the ratio? 1 is 4 ratio 8 means you will cut it, it will come 1 ratio 4 means 1 gram of hydrogen mixed with 4 gram of oxygen to form H2O means water. Okay guys, now I am showing how I teach the math. Let us start with the chapter surface area and volume. What is the area and volume? What is the difference? Area means the space occupied by an object. Means you have a circle, you have a disc, you put it in a bed. Means that round shape it has covered of the bed. Means that is called area, surface. Okay, and what is the volume? Volume means capacity, how it can store. Means you have a glass, how much water you can fill in the glass, that is called volume of a object. Okay, there are two type of objects, 2D objects and 3D objects. What are these? 2D means it has two dimensions. For example, you see the circle, rectangle, square. These are called 2D images, and 3D images are cuboid because they have three dimensions: length, breadth and height. Okay guys, how we calculate area and volume? For example, we have to calculate the area of a rectangle. How we calculate? Area is called length into breadth. Okay, and if I want to clear you, volume, if you calculate, there is no volume of 2D images. We calculate volume only 3D images. Okay, like example, cylinder, sphere, cuboid, cube, cone. Okay, so I am giving a example how volume is calculated. What is the volume? If you get the surface area means area of a base and multiply by height, it will come a volume. Okay, for example, if you see a cuboid. Okay, what is the area of base? Square. What is the area of a square? A square. And if you multiply by a, means because a is height, then it will come the volume, a cube. Okay, thank you. This is from my side.